this video I'm going to explain you about the division. Division is learned in standard 3, where students first time learn how to divide anything, and here I'm going to explain it in a very simple manner that what division is actually. Division is actually a process of repeated subtraction. That means we are actually subtracting something frequently, again and again, repeatedly. That is division. For example, here I have 8 chocolates, and if I ask to group them in 2, then how many times I'll have to do that to finish all the chocolates by making them in the group of 2. So what I have to do is, out of 8 chocolates I have taken away 2 chocolates. Now I'm left with 6 chocolates. Now the remaining 6 chocolates, again I take out 2 chocolates. Now I am left with 4 chocolates. Now out of the 4 chocolates, again I take out 2 chocolates and I am left with 2 chocolates. Now whatever is the left chocolates, that also I will take and I will give to any of the child, and now I am left with 0 chocolates. So how many times I had to do this step or the repeated subtraction? 4 times. It means when I divide 8 by 2, I get 4. Since I have to subtract 2 4 times, it is the number of times I have to subtract 2 actually from 8. Number of times to get 0 is the division of 8 from 2. So 2 4s are 8. Or this is under this is one way of representing division of any number. 8 divided by 2 gives 4. And there is one more way for dividing. For example, I have to divide 8 by 2. I'll write 2 4s are 8 and the remainder is 0. Here the terms which we should know, this is called quotient, this is called dividend, this is called remainder, and this is called divisor. Now these terms are very important whenever we are doing division of any number by any other number. Here there is one property that dividend, for example, you want to check your answer if the answer is correct or not. For that case, this formula is important. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we can even check the same for this question. Here the divisor is 2 into quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0. What is the answer? 8. Isn't my dividend 8? Yes. So this is how we check the division is correct or not, and this is what all about the division concept. It is nothing but process of repeated subtraction. In next video I will explain the division by taking some greater number so that you understand it even better. Thank you.